Making talking avatar videos is very easy with Pruna P-Video-Avatar. All you need is an image and audio, and you can try it right now on nanhive.com. Here is everything that you need to know. P-Video-Avatar is a talking head video generation model. You can upload a portrait image and an audio or a speech script to generate a video. Let me show you. So on NaNoHive here, on the video section, we can scroll down to avatar, this one here, you just click on it. Here you can click on the model section and you can click on Pruna AI avatar. Then you can choose which mode to use, so you can either upload your own audio or you can use a speech script. So in this case, we're going to use the speech script, and when you scroll down here, you can choose the voice. So in the first case, I'm going to choose Pack here, and for the voice script, so this is what is going to be said. So this is what will be said. I'll leave it in the description below. Then for the speaking style here, you want how this voice will be delivered. So I just want a friendly delivery, and I'll just write that here. Then if you want, you can choose the language. I'll leave it at English. Now you can upload the image here. So that's the image that we're going to use. So this character in this image is going to say these words that we have written here. And for the prompt, I'll just say what should happen. So I want a fixed camera, intentional hand cues, open poster, subject motion only. And even if you don't add the prompt here, this will still work. Most of the work is done by AI using the image here and the script that you have put here with the speaking style that you have chosen here. So once you do that, you can just say generate. And after generating, I got this video.
Hey, today I want to tell you the benefits of strawberries. They're packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants that help support your immune system and protect your cells. Strawberries are also a great source of fiber, which supports healthy digestion. Plus, they're delicious, refreshing, and naturally low in calories. So next time you see strawberries, grab a handful and enjoy the goodness.
So we can see the lip sync is very good, and this character is able to say everything that we have written over here. So this is very good for educational videos, for explainers or something like that. We can try it again with a different character and a different script. I'll leave all the settings the same here. I'll change the voice, and we're going to use Aurust here. Then I'll change the script as well, and we'll also change the speaking delivery. So the first one was friendly. This one will just say angry delivery. Then for the image here, I'll add the image of the cat here. So again, this cat is going to say the things that we have written here in the style that we have specified there. I'll leave the camera as it is here, and we'll just say generate. And after it's done, this is the result that we get.
Here are the things we don't like as cats. First, loud noises. They can really scare us. We also don't like being forced to cuddle when we're not in the mood. And please, don't chase us when we're trying to hide. Give us a little space, and we'll come back when we're ready.
Quite dramatic there. He seems to be very angry indeed. So if you don't want to use text, you can use your own audio. So we can switch to the audio part here. And once we do that, we can upload the audio that we want. So in this case, I'll just upload the audio, the song, then I'll upload the image here so that the person in the image should sing the song that we upload here. Okay, so this is 10 seconds of the song here.
I walk so far from home. Now every day I feel alone. I miss your smile.
Okay, then I'll remove this image and add another one. Okay, so this man here in the image will be singing this song that we have uploaded here. So if you want, you can add your own image and the song that you want to sing. And for the prompt, you can leave it like that. Then I'll just say generate. And after doing that, this is the result that I got.
I walk so far from home. Now every day I feel alone. I miss your smile.
Great. So I use this model to make nursery songs videos for kids. So I'll generate the song, then I'll generate the video using this method. So let me show you. So just remove this audio here, and I'll upload part of the audio of the song. Okay, so this is the song here.
Splash, 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 bangwe ulu. Splash, 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 splash with me. Splash, splash, splash. And time to
Okay, so I just got 10 seconds, then I'll upload the image here that I want to sing this song. So this girl here will be singing this song. Again, I'll leave everything the same and I'll click generate. And after generating, I got this result.
splash, 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 bangwe ulu. Splash, 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 splash with me. Splash, splash, splash. and tantalize.
So you can see this makes it very easy to make videos for kids song. Plus the model is very cheap. Right now it's at 50% off, but you can see here for 10 seconds of audio you only use 30 credits, and even if there is no discount you just use 60 credits. When you scroll down here to some of the results, you can see here some of the videos that I've made using this model here. If you want to try it, click the first link in the description.